Welcome back to our channel. If you like making money online, this is the channel for you. Make sure to subscribe at the conclusion of this video so you can start earning money. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on the subscribe button and switch on notifications to be notified whenever I post a new and exciting approach for generating money online. So let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money online. So one feature I like about this service right now is that it gives you an instant PayPal depository within 24 hours. That is, your paper money can arrive as fast as 24 hours. It's quite quick and easy, and you can even receive money this way. It's also absolutely free. There's no cost associated with using this method. This is available worldwide, meaning that anyone in any country can perform it right after watching the video. Right now, I'm going to show you your PayPal earnings. By performing a 5-minute basic activity, as seen below, you can win $25. Completing a 10-minute job will net you $75. You can then earn up to $300 after finishing a 30-minute task. I'll show you how to do them step by step on your computer or phone. This website's domain name is panelvalidately.com. Although some of you may have seen this page before, this is a brand new method that I'd want to show you how to accomplish step by step. Before I continue, I'd like to demonstrate that PayPal accepts customers from all over the world. There are 200 countries and territories listed on this page: Africa, the Americas, Asia, the Pacific Rim, and even Europe. You may create a free PayPal account and then start earning money on this website, which you can access on both your phone or your computer. This is clearly a credible company with a serious opportunity because they've collaborated with major corporations like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft. Now, I'll show you some real-world examples of this, and you can watch me do it step by step before trying out this website. When you visit this page, you can also sign up to be a tester and start earning money online. It's crucial that you do not miss any part of this video because they will ask you a total of 16 questions which you must correctly answer in order for you to sign up to be approved. I'll show you how to accomplish it with real-life examples so you can start earning PayPal money. Be sure you don't miss anything. I'll return to complete my registration. What type of mobile device do you have next? I'm debating whether to get an iPhone or an Android phone. In my case, I have an iPhone, therefore that's what I'll use. The next question is, what type of computer do you own? Do you want to use a Mac or a Windows computer? Because I'm using a Windows computer, I'll just hit next right here. Next, what Windows version are you using? In here, I'm going to select Windows 10. So just press the next option. So question number 5, what year were you born? All I have to do now is type in my response and click the button. Next, this is critical because if you select college graduate, you will be offered a higher paying position because you are an adult with a current income and employment. Therefore, I strongly advise you to select college graduate and then click. The next choice, voice employment status, gives you the option of being self-employed or working full-time, and I'm going to go with self-employed. For question number 8, I'm going to click next to see what industry you work in. When you click here, you may choose from a range of options, and you can even click on these display extra results to see more results tailored to you. So here's a bonus tip. If you work in information technology or something linked to software and computers, you'll make a lot more money on our site. So for myself, I'd select information technology and then proceed to the following step. Here's question number 9. Keep watching because there are a total of 16 questions, and at the end of this video, I'll show you a live demonstration of how to complete the task. As you can see, there is now a job title here. And so when I click on this page, there are a plethora of options to pick from. I'm going with marketing and we'll select looking for marketing strategies right now. Simply go to type marketing and look for your search marketing strategies, and I'll go on to the next step. After you've determined your annual household income, you can choose the one that best suits your needs. Next, I'll simply click this next button, which will prompt me to enter my full name. I'll simply fill it in and hit the button. So for question 12, what is your email address? I'll write it in and then click next. Question 13 is important since they need your PayPal email to pay money to your PayPal account once you've finished your task. Make sure your PayPal email address is linked to your YouTube account. So I'm going to hit the next button after typing in my PayPal email address. Question 14 is easy to answer. Just type in your password. Next, we'll go on to question 15. This is quite important. They'll inquire as to what time zone you're currently in. You must now manually select a time zone when you click on Detect My Location. If you right-click on this link, you can actually choose what time zone you're coming from. In any case, select the option that best meets your requirements. All you have to do now is click Yes, I agree, and join up for the final question, question 16. So after answering 16 questions, you've successfully registered your account. That's a lot of questions and answers, but it'll only take you 2 minutes to complete. You'll notice that they'll send you a confirmation email if you watch this video and copy exactly what I did. Check your mailbox for a message from Panel Validately from the website, and then activate your account by clicking the link in the email. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I post new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. You'll be taken through a 1-minute screener exam after clicking the link. I'll show you exactly how to do it right now, and I'll show you an actual example of how to make money on this website, after which you may take the screener test right away. It is necessary to press this green button. So from the comfort of your own home, you can see how to make money evaluating websites. We need individuals to test websites from their phones or offices. You can now do so on your computer or phone. This task takes about 1 minute to accomplish, which is really speedy. Now, when you're activating your account, make sure you open this website on the URL in your email in the Google Chrome browser on your phone or computer, and then click this button. As you can see, I'm going to test the website by clicking this white button, and then they'll offer you a tutorial and allow you to watch advertising, but it's just a simple greenish little bubble here. You can use this green little ball to figure out what task you need to do. So right here is this green ball. Your instructions will appear, and then I'm going to click Next. Now with this ball, you'll return to the upper right hand corner, where you may always click this to show or hide the assignment if you need it. Right now I'm going to click on OK. I'm ready to start this test, and we'll start with this white button here. Install the Panel Validately extension if you haven't yet. When I press this white button here, it happens again. You'll land on this page, which as you can see has over 30,000 users and Panel Validately and Monitor testing. They're using this program to test the website from their home on their computer or phone, and you can earn PayPal money for doing so. So make sure you can install the software to your Chrome browser so they can use it. You've installed the Google Chrome extension on your computer or phone and are ready to start testing websites. You will be offered jobs such as this one, where you will be asked to evaluate the Amazon website. This is an example of a task that requires you to just go to the Amazon website. They even provide you with a URL, so all you have to do now is click on this link to go to Amazon's website. As you can see, I'll be directed to Amazon website when I click this link. Please take a screenshot of the Amazon homepage in step 2. They want us to provide them with proof that you actually visited the Amazon website. Therefore, you might want to capture a screenshot or a photo. So if you're now using your phone, all you have to do is do that. If you're using a computer, all you have to do is take a quick screenshot with your phone to prove your point. You can either use the print screen option to record your entire screen, or you can use a snipping tool such as this one to drag and snap a screenshot of the homepage, which you can then store right here as a proof. Step 3 is for me to check if I can discover today's deal on Amazon and take a screenshot of it. So I'll go to Amazon website and search for it. As you can see, when users go to Amazon website, they want us to recognize today's deals in order to optimize its location, because consumers may find it difficult to find what they want on specific websites. So I'll start looking for it immediately. And if I find it, I'll take a screenshot and save it like I did before. Now go to step 4 and take a picture of the Scott Standard bath tissue. I'm not sure about this one, but I'm going to highlight this one and copy it right here. And then I'm going to go back to Amazon website and paste the entire keyword and press search, hoping to find Scott's Standard bath tissue, and this is it right here. I'm going to click on this image. The step is basic, as you can see below. I'll take a screenshot of the entire website as proof that I did indeed find this Scott tissue paper. They want us to test the website so that users can find the best deals and any item they're looking for when they search in Amazon. If you offer them documentation, such as a picture or a screenshot proving that we completed a task, we can get paid through our PayPal account. As you can see, the job is very simple. It will only take you a few minutes to complete them. And as you gain more experience, you'll be able to complete them faster and faster. And you will be able to find so many jobs and websites to reveal. And you will be able to earn so much PayPal money over and over. I hope you find this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss any of our future videos. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next video.